Let's recall the thumb rule. So when we have positive being divided by a positive number, it will fetch me a positive answer, right? Negative divided by a negative 2 fetches me a positive answer. Then positive divided by negative will fetch me a negative answer. Negative divided by positive will fetch me a negative answer. Okay, so I'll give an example, it will make sense. 40 divided by 4, both are positive, answer is positive. 10 minus 40 divided by minus 2, negative divided by negative is positive, answer is 20. 44 divided by negative 11, positive divided by negative is negative, 44 divided by 11 is 4. Negative 44 divided by positive 11, answer will be negative, this 2 is 4. So to summarize, same sign, addition, not addition, sorry, multiplication and division will give you positive, different sign, multiplication or division will give you negative. So if you remember this, most of the math part will be easy. Few examples over here, I would request you guys to try this out. Okay, so pause the video and try it out. The first question, negative divided by negative is positive. This is 3. Negative, negative, even number of negatives. So answer is positive. 40 divided by 4, 10. Both are positive, so the answer is positive. And this will be our 15. Positive divided by negative is negative. 1s are 4s are. Negative divided by positive is negative. 50 10s are 50 divided by 10 is 5. Okay. Fill the blank to make it a true statement. Right? So negative divided by what will be positive? Negative. Is it not? So here 40 divided by what is 8? Right? 5s are. Fill the blank to make it a true statement. Minus 20 divided by dash is minus 4. Right? Positive, because negative divided by positive is negative. Odd number of negatives will give me negative. So this is 5. Negative divided by what will negative being dividing something will give me positive. What is that? So this number has to be a negative. Even number of negatives will give me positive. So this will be 12. Then over here we have dash divided by positive will give me negative. Negative divided by positive will give me negative. And here it is 33 divided by 11 will give me 3. Fill in the blanks to make the statement a true statement. So here too we have 2 into minus 12 is equal to minus 6 into what? Right? First we'll decide on the sign. On the left hand side the answer is a negative answer. On the right too it has to be negative for it to be true. So this has to be a positive number. Right? Then 12 2s are 24, 6 4s are 24. Done. Okay, that's all you need to do. Nothing much. So the test question is on a similar line. You just have to think about the signs. I'm not concentrating on multiplication and division with regarding to the magnitude. Meaning, I don't want okay, this kid has to get 68. It's not about that. I want you guys to learn when the answer will result in a positive answer and when the answer will result in a negative answer. Okay, let's see few more set of questions. Negative divided by positive 3 and 21. So minus negative 3 into 21 is not equal to, keyword here is not equal to which of the below option? More than one option may be true. So we can have multiple choice. So this is a multiple choice question. So first thing is we can see 3 and 21 are there everywhere and everything is getting multiplied. So in terms of magnitude, in terms of number, they are the same. So we need not think about that. So as I told you, I'm looking at the signs. So the first one, or the first thing is the question itself has a negative sign that we need to consider. So option 1 will give me positive, option 2 will give me negative, right? Odd number of negative will give me negative. Here too it's odd number of negative, so negative. Even number of negative will give me positive. So option is option 2 and option 3. Again, please pause, try the next question. So -4, -3 and -2 is equal to which of the below option or options? More than one option may be true. Okay, think about it please. Done thinking, trying? Okay, so we have odd, all our multiplication, operation is multiplication, and we have three numbers with negative sign. So my final answer will also be negative. Okay, so let's look at 1, 2, 3, 4 options, and let's first look at the signs. And as at a glance we can get to know that 4, 3, 2 are the common numbers and all of them are getting multiplied. So in terms of number as an output, it's the same. There's no other answer. So all we need is to check the sign. So first option, odd number of negative, will give me negative. Second option, odd number of negative, again will give me negative. Third option, positive. Fourth option, negative, right? Because fourth option has only one negative, third option has two negatives, second option has three negatives, right? So wherever you see even number of negative terms getting multiplied or divided, you get an answer which is positive, and odd number of negatives will give you negative, right? And 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here too the answer is same, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2. In all of this the answer is 24 itself, and three cases it's -24, and one case it's +24. The last case is -24, and the option answer here is -24. So answer is 1, 2 and 4. Okay, so you will get such questions, so you have to be ready. Which of the following does represent a positive integer? More than one option may be true. So first we need to understand what is a positive integer. Try to underline the keyword as and when you read the question. Okay, we'll get used to that when we're doing any question. I'll start doing that as well. Till now we didn't get any big lengthy question, but now we're starting, so I'll mark when I teach you something. Okay, important item that or important keyword that is in the question, we need to mark those. So what we're looking at is positive integer. So let's recall classification of numbers. First classification is what? Correct, natural numbers. Starts with what? It starts with, yes, +1 to +infinity. And the next one is correct, whole number, which starts with 0 and include all the above numbers. Then we have integers, which includes negative numbers and also whole number, right? So in this, the question is positive integers only. So what indicates positive integer? This though will indicate everything, negative to positive infinity. But I want positive integer. So positive integer is nothing but what? Positive integer has to do with 1 to infinity. That is same as your natural number. Is it not? Okay. Okay. So let's start off with option 1. So 10 divided by, positive divided by positive is positive. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So this is a positive integer. This is one of your answer. 0 divided by anything is 0. Actually 0 divided by any number other than 0 is 0. Then 4 into 12 minus 12 and negative 12 into divided by negative 1. What will you get? We will get a positive answer. 4 12s are 12 4s are 48. This 2 is a positive integer. So this is one of the answer. And 0 is neither a positive or a negative integer. So this is not an option. And last we have positive divided by negative gives us negative. Odd number of negative terms. 25 divided by 25 is 1. And this is not an option. So option 1 and option 3. Okay. So do your test well. There's similar set of questions, not complicated ones. Try to get all the answers. Again, this is basic, so do it slowly, and there's no time limit. Do it slowly, but please do it, right? So see you in the next section.